how to find the missing Samsung Clipboard on Samsung Galaxy S24, S25 or S26. Okay, so first let's return back to the home screen and we're going to open up an app to bring up the keyboard. Now on top of the keyboard you should see the clipboard icon right here. It sits in the toolbar. Now if you do not see it in the toolbar, or if the toolbar is not, so I'll just get rid of that message. Okay, so if it's not in here at all, what you want to do is tap on the more icon here. Sometimes you'll be able to find the clipboard in here somewhere. If you don't see the toolbar at all, you need to go into settings and turn on the toolbar. Okay, so we swipe down at the top and tap on settings. Then we scroll down and tap on general management. From here, we go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then in here, scroll down and tap on keyboard toolbar. Now make sure it is turned on. If it is switched off, then you can see it will not showing the clipboard up here. So we need to turn it on, and then it will show a toolbar along with the clipboard. So tapping on the clipboard will allow you to paste items from the clipboard onto your text, messages, or into your notes. Okay, so that is one way to use the clipboard, how you can find the clipboard. There is also another clipboard on the side here that you can also add. It's like the edge panel clipboard that you can use, but you need to activate it. Okay, so that's how you can find the clipboard on your S24, S25 and S26. Thank you for watching this video.